Good afternoon mga study buddy. Sa bidyong ito, sasagutin natin yung question sa ginawa kong video tutorial how to download free student version. Okay. Na-download ko ang AutoCAD version 2021. So, way back December 23, 2020. So, nakalagay dito, you're eligible for free 1-year educational access to Autodesk. So, mag-expire ito on December 23, 2021 and you'll have the opportunity to renew if you are eligible. Okay? So nagpadala ang Autodesk sa akin noong September 24, 2021. So, nakalagay dito, your educational access to Autodesk product will expire in 90 days. So, next month, expire na dahil November ngayon. If you're still eligible, reconfirm now to renew your educational access for additional 1 year. So, may extend yung aking AutoCAD application ng another 1 year. So, click natin yung renew access. Okay. After nating maklik yung renew access, okay. So, lagay dito, get started. Okay, again. Click natin yan. Okay. So, kaya mahalaga yung ating account. Hindi natin makalimutan dahil magagamit ninyo sa pag-renew. Then next, then yung inyong password. Okay. Then next. Okay. So, ayan na. So, we still need to confirm your eligibility for educational access to Autodesk product. Learn more or click get started to begin the process. Okay. Click natin yan. Same lang nun dati. So, mag-upload tayo ng mga documents natin. So, drag document. So, yung ID nyo or yung transcript of record. Okay. Okay. Then, submit. Okay. Then, close. Okay. So, makikita nyo rito yung mga eligible para sa free. Okay. Yung mga educators, students, and faculty member. Okay. Yan yung mga pwedeng maka-access ng free sa ating binibigay na free ni Autodesk. Okay. So, nag-send ulit ang Autodesk ng email confirmation. So, you're eligible for free 1-year educational access. So, meaning na nag-grant yung extension na another year. So, mag-expired yung aking ni-renew na AutoCAD application on December 23, 2022. And you'll have the opportunity to renew if you are eligible. So, kung eligible pa ako by next year, pwede ko uling ma-renew or I hope ma-renew ulit yung aking Autodesk or AutoCAD na download ko. Okay. So, kung ang inyong application ay malapit ang ma-expire, check nyo lang yung inyong email kung ang Autodesk ay magpapadala sa inyo ng confirmation para manghihingi uli siya ng mga documents. Okay, so meaning, so may 1 year pa ako na may enjoy ang Autodesk or AutoCAD application. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.